Now to the government shutdown. It's day 23, and Senate Democrats continue to hold the line in blocking government funding. Today, they voted against the clean continuing resolution to open the government for the 12th time. They claim if they don't stand strong, Republicans will never agree to any health care reform or restore Medicaid cuts and Obamacare subsidies. So how long will this impasse last? Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales joins us with the latest. Erik.
Well, Veronica, that's the million-dollar question right now, is when is this government shutdown going to end? Now, I did speak with Senate Majority Leader John Thune today, one-on-one. He tells me that the Democrats can stop this right now by simply voting yes on the clean House pass CR.
We can pick it up and pass it, send it to the president, he'll sign it into law. The federal government opens up, and all these federal employees who are going without paychecks and starting to have to rely on food assistance and other types of things, that can come to a conclusion. It can end.
One option lawmakers are considering is passing a longer continuing resolution, possibly into next year or even covering all of 2026. But many don't want that.
I know are negotiations right now, given the blockade the Democrats have imposed on the government, reopening the government, about a year-long continuing resolution. I think that would be unfortunate because that would be an admission that we are unable to do conduct our business.
We're getting closer to November. It is going to be more and more difficult with each passing hour to get all the appropriations done on time. We acknowledge that, but we have to decide this on a day-by-day basis.
Speaker Johnson says he wants to get back to the normal appropriations process, like going through committees and holding floor debates, and a number of senators agree.
I think we got appropriation bills, bipartisan bills that have passed. They should be allowed to move forward at funding our government once we've reached a conclusion when it comes to these health care costs.
I'm hopeful that we will have real appropriations, not just kick the can down the road, stopgap measures, which is what a CR is.
Republican leaders tell me the Democrats need to stop playing political games and end the suffering of Americans.
The date doesn't matter. You got to get to the point where they're actually going to honor the deal that they made with Republicans. And so far, they've shown no sign that they're going to do that.
By the way, federal workers took another hit today. Democrats blocked a bill that would have allowed those working during the shutdown to be paid. They claim that it gives the president and his administration too much power on who's going to be paid and not paid, and allows for more layoffs. But people are suffering. Thousands of federal workers are even using food lines, and some lawmakers are worried that this could last until Thanksgiving. By the way, next week, House Democrats are planning to be here starting on Tuesday. We haven't heard yet from Speaker Johnson if he plans to bring House Republicans back as well. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.